Hello everyone and welcome back. So building income through content creation, my simple setup. Now a lot of people, they think about starting content creation, but they wonder why they don't start, why you are not starting content creation. So I'm telling you from experience, because you don't need to have a fancy, you don't need to have a quite specific cameras, equipment, lighting to start content creation. What you need to actually is your phone. You need an idea to get started. And yeah, I mean, I remember once I started back a year ago when I've started, I started with my phone, and even now I don't have even fancy equipment. Okay, and I'm start pushing forwards. I keep pushing foot in front of the other, so I don't give up. Okay, and the only way to grow online is just to be consistent. I'm building content, kind of like I'm building content through content creation, and today I'm going to show you exactly what I'm using to start my content creation. I haven't actually, I think I would have started this video quite, a year ago, but now I found my passion and I found I would say, the thing that I'm passionate about to talk to. Okay, no experience. I have got quite zero experience on kind of like equipment and what setup you need to make. But to be honest with you, this is the only things that I use to create my content. Over time, I'm gonna kind of like develop everything, because you kind of start somewhere, but because you can't start great, you have to start to be great. You don't need to have $2,000 or $1,000 to start content creation. This is my real beginner setup, okay? And if you're new here, I'm Mohammed, and I'm documenting the journey of building income through content creation. It's starting from zero, no big following. I don't even have no secret advantage, just consistency. Today, I'm breaking down my setup, what I use, what camera I use, and of course, what mic I use, and yeah, I mean, what things I've used quite a long time ago. Now, over the years, I mean, in the last year, I've used my phone, and after that, I've used like kind of like this camera, and now I'm using DSLR. But like DSLR is no expensive camera, to be fair, and this quality is already enough for me. Okay, I'm focusing on content creation, not perfection. Well, I believe most people delay starting because they think they need a better equipment. I'm choosing to start with what I have. No better equipment, not 2000. I would say for the audio, I've used quite a lot of mics, and I've used share mics, and I've used quite a lot of mics, if I'm being honest. And as you can see, this is the mic, and I'm just recording in a quiet room. Okay, good audio more important than perfect video. Okay, that's why I got this mic. This mic is quite fundamental to me now. It became one of my essentials when it comes like in kind of like video setup. Okay, because I need to have a mic. Now what I'm going to change is basically to change my I don't know if you can see, I'm going to change this one, because this is the user interface. So this is where it takes the audio from the camera and this mic from the camera there. Okay, so it's just quite important. But yeah, I'll link it down below if you want to get it as well on Amazon, and everything that I've mentioned in this video you will see it down below in the camera. So, and nowadays I'm kind of like using lighting, and this lighting it's not that expensive as well, but simple. But I'm going to show you as well, but over time I'm going to improve this as well. But you know what, you need to start somewhere. Okay, you don't need to be great, you have to start to be great. And if you're waiting to be perfect, you're waiting for the perfect moment never happens. And one of the most important things, lighting, that makes a big difference to camera quality. I remember when I started, I used to put the lighting in the back. Now I flip it the other way around, and it's just quite important. Okay, so it's important to understand, and over time I've watched the videos how people do the lighting and everything. I'm not perfect yet, but I'm still learning, and I'm here to show you how I do that, and you will do it too. In terms of editing, I use kind of like CapCut, use Premiere, InShot, etc. I use quite a lot of fundamentals, but for the faster editings, I use CapCut. Okay, I keep it simple. I'm not crazy on editings. Just to start, I'm in like subtitles and everything. I use CapCut quite a lot for shorts. Okay, so there is a pro version. I use pro version quite a lot, and in terms of editing, as I mentioned earlier, I believe CapCut is my favorite because it's quite fast and it's very it's got kind of like high quality as well, but sometimes you can use a pro version and non-pro version. Okay, but if you want like the best editing, I highly recommend to use the pro version. Editing should enhance the message, okay, not distract people from lots of things. And I would say I'm keeping everything simple because I'm right now using, I'm not perfect, it's literally consistency. I'm learning over time. My goal isn't to look like a professional creator. My goal is to become one through action and through content creation. And I don't know, but like I'd like a better equipment. Yes, that's right, but I'm not waiting for perfect conditions to happen. Okay, a lot of people, they're waiting for that, but you need to start. Okay, just start, that's it. And this is the day 4, and this is the progress start, which is, you don't need to be perfect. If you're also starting with the basic equipment, you've got a phone, just to start, because literally the internet, the social media, the shit, I would say this era is dominating the whole world. So just to start content creation, document what you love, and you will get there. So see you next one.